This is the flatpack pine workbench, and I wanted to show you how quick and easy these are to install. They come with all the screws, and the only tool that you need is this Allen key that it comes with. They come in a full range from 900 all the way up to 1.8 meters long. We're going to start off with the tabletop, flip it upside down, and then start installing the legs and shelving. The tabletop is upside down now. All you have to do is put your legs into position. As you can see, the holes have all been pre-drilled. All you have to do now is put it into position and fasten down the bolts. When putting the bolts in, it's a good idea just to leave them as a loose fit. It allows you a little bit of play between the legs so that you can get the shelves in easily. Now when putting in the shelves, obviously you find that you're short of pair of hands, especially if you're on your own. As you put in one side, so the other side falls down. A simple little trick: put the bolts in first of all, and that way they act as a stopper and the shelf can sit on top of that, and so you can align them into position. Remember, just finger tight, keep it loose so you can get that movement, allowing each shelf to get in. Once I've got each bolt in finger tight, I'm now going to make use of the Allen key and screw these down tight and make sure that I've got each leg and each shelf firmly in position. There you have it, a simple workbench which was quick and easy to assemble. This is ideal for a workshop environment or can be used in your kitchen. If this product information was useful, like it, share it, and you can subscribe to our channel.